Lan bising September len lolon gosh Monday ke housing eula. Kosrae Special Parent Network ko KSPN the Orela Matalalos no your Governor the Honorable Carson K. Sikra ke kanon osin lalos na si Governor Carson K. Sikra. Isao J. Mike President KSPN ilta introduce na silos ke Akresyo lalos ke kanon rit malon Kosrae Special Parent Network ke matawagyan na limlaman masap singi ke Kosrae Disability Act fashion na ke fukuna rit malalos inka in sokayak in ash autism specialist sa imsengi makashayak through Australia volunteer program. Kosrae Special Parent Network President Isao Mike Elta Tafula in ash na silkava na opposala din ka in tafon unity pe implementation ng masap and nawayak may fataka ke benefit to fashion tafula ke kanon data sila lusingin ilos akula pe hindi na ke cash lalos na ke iplan sports kaiwa na sangan en milo sa kain liye in kasha na ke finchak yok tanen Kosrae ke benefit to fashion ke kapim datalon Kosrae Special Parent Network na ke oversight kavanaan Lieutenant Governor Ardinel Dakaliye Plata Silazinge in welcoming volunteer ma itafa matavinen Kosrae kainak yok malalos with Kosrae Special Parent Network. Speaker the Honorable Lensa W. Palik K-12 Kosrae State Legislature and we kawana members fast in Copen Reda Pangak Lalos na ke Uchak Lan Kosrae Special Parent Network na ke Chamber Lalos on.
Senator William. And before we go further, I want to thank the Heavenly Father for keeping us breathing and alive.
And the main thing that I do in that role is I look after a program called Pacific People Advancing Change, or PPAC. PPAC supports civil society organizations and community-based organizations, 64 of them in 8 countries. 4 of those organizations are right here in Kosrae. That's Kosrae Special Parent Network, Kosrae Women's Organization, Kosrae Youth Group, and Kosrae Pentecostal Women. And what we do is we provide small grants, training, and mentoring to support these organizations to carry out discrete human rights campaigns on a whole range of issues.
Hello, everyone. I'd just like to say hello to everybody, all leaders and all parties here. Thank you very much, and I'm very honoured to.
Yo, may finchak lan Kosrae Special Parent Network in suke kasin matayangan with maars sa kapas la shrek pe na yok orik mamayin na nakfashiyak le in sang close cap na kayo ke finchak lan Kosrae Special Parent Network. Segment saying edikiyaki na ke continuation lan Kosrae Special Parent Network.